think she's going to stop? And they know she does things to people. They're sick. Oh, my God. You know what that's from? That's my gutter. Yes. That's the gutter. Why is the gutter doing that? She doesn't know. So it's filling up. Yeah, well, he did that. It's not even filling up right here. It's no rain. That's right. Oh my gosh, she must be putting a hose in the gutter from up there. She knows that one. Well, my gosh, it's not raining. There's no water here. He must have a hose on the gutter in the roof. Yes, he's sick. See, when he's dark like this and he keeps inside, see over here, these people here cleaning, these people are out here. Yes, it's you. There's no rain. No, not at all. She's right there, you know. How come she ain't getting any? She doesn't really come out because she's doing something. Oh, she's right. Why is he pulling out bad? She says because he's not. Why did he move his car? That's all he's not doing. What is he doing? Water. Why aren't they? Because she puts these things in. It's bullshit. There's no rain anywhere. That's okay. And what is he doing? He's got a hose running on my gutter on the roof. That's good for you. Bullshit. Yep, he's sick. There's no rain out. That's good for you. You don't see the flood down here. Why did this guy move his car? Yeah. Oh, they're bad. See? There's no rain out here. No, there's not even water in my backyard. He's running a hose on my gutter from the roof. When I opened the door, she said the nut came. The ex-con here. Yeah, good for you.